Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to show you how to clean battery terminals. So a common issue with battery terminals is that they get corroded, and then what happens when you get corroded is that when you go try to start the engine, even though the dash lights might turn on, then there's no enough transfer of power or electricity from the terminal to the clamp, and then you'll just hear just a click, or the dash might go all black when you try to crank the engine, or the engine might turn over really slow, or you might hear multiple clicks one after another, and those are all symptoms of a corroded or a loose terminal. Of course, it could be a bad battery as well, or a discharged battery, but you want to start and clean those terminals. And also, one other thing you might want to do is you can test these batteries, and we have another video on how to test the battery, so you might want to follow our other guide as well. But as far as cleaning, what you'll need is battery terminal cleaner. This is the easiest way. You can find these at local auto parts stores. If you don't have this handy, you can use a sandpaper. A 60, 120, 200, and even 300 grit sandpaper will work, and you will clean the same surfaces as well. So let's get started. Now, the first thing that you will do is to always disconnect the negative first, and then you want to be extremely careful. Like in this case, we don't want to create a short between this and the positive, between the negative and the positive, like in this case. But disconnect the negative first, and then we're going to disconnect the positive. Okay. And then once you disconnect the positive, you remove it, and you can see all the corrosion building up there. You're going to just get a wire brush if you can to just clean the surface around here. Or just clean it with a clean cloth. The inside of the cleaner, insert it on the post, and just turn it, just only go. Rotate it, and rotate it when you come up as well, and that's pretty clean right there. That's it. It takes a little bit longer. If you're using sandpaper, you're gonna take longer, but you can do it with sandpaper as well. Now we're gonna clean the clamp here. And to clean the clamp, you're going to take the brush and you're going to turn it just in one direction, and you're going to just turn it. This brush is meant to go in one way, so don't go back as well, because you'll just ruin that. Just keep on going in one direction. You can change the angle a little bit, and just keep checking, make sure there's no built up inside there. Should be all clean metal inside. And again, if you're using sandpaper, you're just gonna wrap up that sandpaper and then move it and clean up all the inside of that. So keep on checking that, and come from the top. Just make sure that you just rotating this clockwise again, so you don't ruin the brush in there. But once you do that, you clean it really good. Then you can go ahead and connect positive first and negative last, and then that should be it. Good to go. If you have a battery spray protector, it's good to just spray these terminals, and then you're never going to have this issue again, because that's what that battery protector is for. But you connect it and then spray battery protector over on this part right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching.